Introduce quick overview and highlight features of ROUBOW Automatic Robot Vacuum Cleaner, 3-in-1 Robotic Sweeper Mop. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. This robot vacuum cleaner mop combines the sweep, vacuum, and wet mop. 3 functions can easily absorb the dust, pet hair, and food fragment which offer a deep clean to your home. Packaged the 600 ml large dust box and 300 ml water tank, the smart robot vacuum and mop can easily help you with the chores, so you can enjoy more family time. Do not use the water tank when vacuuming on the carpet. The robot vacuum mop is with a slim body at 3.2 inch, which is thin enough to reach every corner or narrow space of the house. Zigzag cleaning routine and random bumping modes provides pretty efficient cleaning solutions without superfluous cleaning. The robotic cleaner can be controlled by a most simplest app without any complicated instructions, also can be controlled by a convenient remote, 2 AAA batteries, not included, and can be controlled by directly manually pushing the button at the top of its cover. App does not require GPS location, and there is no background platform. Absolutely, it is the most dumb software with nothing dazzling. Suction power comes with the price. This basic vacuum cleaning robot wants to serve those hard-working people as in small families with 1 or 2 adorable kids and furry friends. Recommended area is a cozy house around 1,000 square feet. 3 to 4 hours for a full charge, around 70 minutes at normal power, approximately 30 minutes at hyper power. This robotic vacuum pet hair can easily detect cliff, even it recognizes obstacles by collisions, and accurate avoid it falling down from the stairs. Moreover, the robot vacuum will runs the quiet, which is lower than 60 decibels even on hyper mode for 3000 PA suction. About 600 ml large capacity dustbin is designed with a 1-button press to open module for quick access and easy empty without the mess. Improved large washable HEPA filter combo with sponge filtration system helps get rid of smaller household dust and all sorts of pet hairs. This feature is quite awkward. However, it can still find its way home back to dock through a long effort. The prerequisite is you should keep the robot vacuum and charging base in the same room. And there are no obstacles between the 2 solid partners. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.